Alright, let me ask you something. Are you of scrolling through those boring PDFs and endless eBooks that make you want to take a nap? What if I told you there's a way to turn book into something way more exciting, engaging, and fun? Well, buckle up, because I've got something to share with you today. Introducing the world's first AI-powered app that can create, and not just any kind of talking books, but stunning interactive books that will literally change the way you read. Whether it's storybooks, brand books, educational books, health, self-help, travel, fiction, you name it, this AI can create them in. Imagine this, you can create talking storybooks, business books, fitness books, self-help books, and even children's books in just a minute. It's like you've got your very own personal AI author helping you. Not only can you create these incredible books, but you can add videos, avatars, images, clickable CTAs, and even QR codes. How cool is that? Plus, the best part, you can sell them on platforms like Amazon, Apple Books, Etsy, eBay, and even Barnes & Noble. Talk about opportunities. Now here's where it gets even more exciting. These books longer, boosting engagement compared to static, boring books. And you know what that means? More readers, more sales, and more buzz around your work. If you've ever dreamed of being an author, this is your chance to reinvent the way the world reads and connects with books. With just a few clicks, you can magically transform any keyword into a stunning, engaging book that readers are. Plus, you can even add your affiliate links to boost your commissions. It's an absolute game changer. So, say goodbye to those outdated 1980s style books no one wants to read and say hello to the future of reading. With AI, you've got the chance to tap into the massive $140 billion global book industry, and the best part, no monthly payments, just a one-time fee and you're in. Ready to become an author who's changing the game? Hit the link in the description and get started today. And hey, if you're not 100% convinced, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you've got. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.